travel and discovery. Hello everyone! Let's embark on an exciting journey to explore Australia. A vast and diverse land where unspoiled natural beauty meets the vibrancy of modern life. The land of kangaroos not only captivates with bustling cities like Sydney and Melbourne, but also enchants visitors with its endless beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and breathtaking natural landscapes. Australia is not just a country. It's like an entirely different planet, filled with wonders you won't find anywhere else. As the world's largest island and smallest continent, Australia boasts an incredibly rich and diverse ecosystem. Did you know that over 80% of Australia's flora and fauna are unique to this incredible land? From kangaroos and cuddly koalas to the enigmatic platypus, a creature that's part bird, part mammal. The diversity here is truly one of a kind. Get ready to marvel at the wonders of the Down Under. This journey promises to leave you amazed. Are you ready? Let's begin. Melbourne, often dubbed the cultural capital of Australia, is a city where old-world Victorian architecture harmoniously blends with cutting-edge modern design. Did you know that Melbourne served as Australia's capital from 1901 to 1927? Today, it stands as a vibrant hub for arts, music, and gastronomy, hosting iconic events like the Australian Open and the Melbourne International Arts Festival. Be sure to visit Hosier Lane, famous for its dynamic street art, an open-air gallery that's a feast for the senses. The Sydney Opera House, an iconic symbol of Australia, spans approximately 1.8 hectares in Sydney Harbour. This architectural masterpiece, designed by Jørn Utzon and completed in 1973, is instantly recognizable by its sail-like domes, earning it a spot on the UNESCO World Heritage List. While you're there, don't miss the Sydney Harbour Bridge, the largest steel arch bridge in the world. From its heights, you can take in breathtaking panoramic views of Sydney Harbour. A destination where history, art, and natural beauty come together in perfect harmony. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1981. Home to over 1,500 species of fish and 400 types of coral, it's a dream destination for divers worldwide. Formed over millions of years, the reef boasts an astonishingly rich ecosystem. Whether you dive beneath the waves or explore through a glass-bottom boat, you will be mesmerized by the vibrant colors and magic of the underwater world. Uluru Kata Tjuta National Park is a place where you can explore Australia's natural and cultural icons. Uluru, or Ayers Rock, a massive red sandstone monolith standing 1,141 feet tall, is a sacred site for the Anangu people, who have lived in the area for over 30,000 years and consider Uluru the heart of Dreamtime stories. In addition, Kata Tjuta, a group of unique rock formations, offers a sense of mysticism and wonder. Join a tour with the local Indigenous guides to learn more about the profound history and culture of this remarkable place. Bondi Beach, located about 4.3 miles from central Sydney, is an unmissable icon of Australia. With its 1-mile stretch of golden sand, Bondi is the perfect spot for surfing, swimming, or simply relaxing under the bright sun. If you're into outdoor activities, don't miss the 3.7-mile Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk. The history of this area is deeply connected to the Gadigal people, the original inhabitants of the land. This trip offers the perfect blend of natural beauty and Indigenous culture, a must-see experience. Tasmania, an island located to the south of Australia, is famous for its pristine nature and some of the cleanest air in the world. Hobart, the island's capital, founded in 1804, is one of the oldest cities in Australia. Here, you can explore vibrant markets like Salamanca Market and unique museums such as Mona. If you're a nature lover, don't miss Freycinet National Park, home to the stunning Wineglass Bay with its white sandy beach. Tasmania is truly a place where you can immerse yourself in history while enjoying modern beauty. Daintree, located in Queensland, is the world's oldest tropical rainforest, with a history spanning over 180 million years. This natural treasure is home to thousands of plant and animal species, including some incredibly rare ones. What makes Daintree truly unique is how it blends dense rainforest with the ocean, creating a stunning natural masterpiece. Try joining a tour led by Indigenous guides to hear ancient legends and learn how they've lived in harmony with nature for centuries. The Whitsundays is an archipelago of 74 stunning islands located within the Great Barrier Reef. Among them, Whitehaven Beach stands out with its silky white sand made up of 98% silica. It feels like walking on silk. This area is a paradise for kayaking, snorkeling, and sunbathing. The history of the Whitsundays is deeply connected to the culture of the Ngaro people, who have lived here for over 9,000 years. A place that is both breathtaking and rich in history, waiting for you to explore. The Blue Mountains, located about 31 miles from Sydney, is a vast region covering over 11,400 square kilometers and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its name comes from the blue mist that rises from the vast eucalyptus forests. One of the most famous attractions here is the Three Sisters, three towering sandstone peaks with fascinating indigenous legends. You can hike on various trails, explore the Jenilyn Caves, or take a cable car for a breathtaking aerial view of the majestic landscape. If you want an unforgettable experience in Australia, consider visiting in spring, September to November, or autumn, March to May, when the weather is pleasant and nature is at its best. To travel quickly between major cities, domestic flights are the way to go. But trains are a great option if you want to enjoy the scenic views. Don't forget to pack sunscreen, as the Australian sun can be intense, and bring clothing suitable for the places you'll visit. From comfortable attire to sturdy hiking shoes. If you found this video interesting and meaningful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions or comments in the section below. Wishing you amazing adventures, and we'll see you in the next video.